Hello, I'm here today to talk to you about the Renault Megane Sport and its problems with engine vibration. What we have is a lower engine mount which is bolted between the engine sump and the frame of the car, which take up some of the vibration. There are 4 other mounts, but I think this is the one that's causing the problem. This is the engine mount that I pulled from underneath the car. Apart from being covered in grease, you can see here, I think, some cracks appearing in the mount between the bonding and the steel cage. You can see it splitting just there as well. Engine mount here, we've just got to wind it back, weave it back in to position, and then push the bolt through to hold it in place. So now we got to do, there it is. Right, so just push the bolt in now that we've got it lined up, and find the hole the other side, and then just screw it in like that. So now we've got that piece in place, what we need to do is line up the other piece with the engine. Now you can see the engine moves quite freely, but what we have to do is get this plate here, which belongs to it and lines the holes up to hold it in place. Get these little bolts in here just to put the bracket roughly in the right place, like that, and then move the engine until it lines up with the hole, like that, and then screw this big bolt in, and that just about holds it all in place and will allow us to bolt it all up tight. Right, hold it steady. Right, here we go. We'll just start to
what size bolt is
get the thing going the right way, the ratchet going in the right direction.
What size is it?
And
Father?
Oh yes, the size is a 21mm socket for the end closest to the engine, which is using a bracket from the engine sump to hold the bush in place. So this is the engine mount being done up here. It's obviously quite a long bolt. That's nice and tight. Then the bolt at the back is a 18mm socket, and again we just tighten this up. Nice and tight. There we go, and then all we got are the bracket plate, and this is a 16mm socket. Just do these up. There you go. And that's it, and then all that needs to be done is to put the sump car back in place. Job done.